What's going on, YouTube family? This is your boy Jay. I am out here currently working on my headlight on the driver's side because I done been pulled over a couple times because this light has been in and out, and I find out that the problem with my headlight is this. See that? It's been causing me issues, and my headlight has been going out. So what I'm doing now, guys, is I've already cut the wire, and I've found another Crown Vic, a town car at the junkyard to go on ahead, and I'm changing the wire. See, that's a lot better there. You see that? That's a whole lot better, guys. So what I'm doing now, I'm just wiring up these here and taping them down. So right now, this is the ground wire here. I've already did the two purple wires already. You just gotta really color code these things. That's all, they're color coded. So now I'm just doing the ground wire. And then once I get the ground wire all together, get all these other wires together, I'll tape them all down, put them in a loom. Then we'll plug it up and see if the headlight and everything comes on. Because from what I've been discovering is that this here has been giving me a problem. This thing has just been shot, man. I mean, you can look at it and see that I don't even know how this happened or whatever, but it's okay, guys. We got another one. So we're gonna go ahead and finish hooking this up and show you what it looks like when we get done with the light. All right, guys, we got it all nice and taped up here. Got everything done. Now let's just try plugging it in. See if I can get it plugged in here. And that fits right in there. Perfect fit. Now let's go turn the headlights on. See what we get. And there it is, guys. The headlights are on. Headlights are on. Fog lights. Yep, they're on, guys. Finally got it working. Yeah. This thing here, man, was just like how it got like that, I don't even know. But it doesn't matter now. All that matters is that it's fixed now. So I got the headlight working, and it's all done, guys. Well, guys, driver's side to a passenger side is fine, so I don't have to worry about changing the passenger side. The passenger side is perfectly fine. So the driver's side, it was giving me the problem. So now it's fixed. That's pretty much it, guys. Got the headlights on, as you can see. Fog lights. Everything works just fine, perfectly now, guys. So I just want to thank you guys for tuning in and checking me out here on YouTube and all the other social media platforms. This is your boy Jay signing off, saying peace, be safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode. I am out of here.